Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really cool unboxing to do with one big box to see what's inside. It's a Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage with 2 cars and a Robo T-Rex. This playset has a vertical tower which can fit 100 cars. And I believe that I already have 100 Hot Wheels cars in my collection. So let's try and make it full. So let's open it. But first I need the knife, so... Oh, well, I guess it's already in the box. So, well, let's open it. You know what, let's just make it quicker by doing this. Wait, slowly cut it out. Here, I'm pretty sure the instructions, but I'm not gonna leave that for now. And here are all the parts. Ah, this is gonna take a long time. Hot Wheels. So, this is the Robo T-Rex. I can't move its arms. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need to read the instructions. Oh, good. So I think I'll need a little help to do this, because I called my brother to help me. So let's start building this. This goes there. Here's T-Rex. Yeah, that's good. Then you touch it like, I don't know actually where. Oh, you put it on this thingy? Yep. Oh, I didn't see that one. But there's A and B, 2 of them. Now, one is A, one is B. That's B. Where's A? B. Wait, A? Wait. Oh, so now one side, one of them has to be on one side, and the other has to be on the other side. Oh. This?
No.
This? This? Or is it this one?
No.
They're the same thing anyways. Yeah, it's like that because...
Yeah, it's this one, and then like, I mean, this.
But why is this here?
Connect down here. And
Yes, here it is.
connect it there.
There we go. You're sure it's not on this one? Let me guess.
Right here.
I don't understand, but okay. And that's it? It's the other way around, but no one's gonna look at that. This. Where does this go? This is definitely the thing that's supposed to be here. Yes. So this,
Doesn't this go anywhere?
good question. Where the hell do you put this?
Oh, I think we missed one. Yeah. We missed one.
Okay. Now where the hell do I put this thing? No. And it's not on the bottom. Nope, not there. Yes, I'm very sure about that.
Wait. Are you definitely sure?
I'm sure that car went all the way down. That's what I'm sure. Let's see if this makes it all the way down. Probably yes. Mm. How did that? But yeah, bro, I made it. Look, how does it make that gap? So we finished building the ultimate garage. So let's start filling it with cars.
Yes.
Oh. There is actually a lot more.
Where? I'm sorry.
About everywhere. And now, how about these thingies?
Oh my god, I forgot about those.
Any other parking spaces?
There are these ones.
But I'll fill them up. So we built the garage and then filled it with cars. Now let's play with it.
Do it.
Because of a car, yes. Look, it's right here. Okay, now I'll... Ron, why did you put a car there? The cars didn't make it out the entrance. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's why. Oh, I was gonna win anyway. You got stuck. Again, the cars didn't make it out the entrance. Can't get your car out. There we go. What the? Oh. Really? Because he was so good. This video was very fun making. I hope it was fun for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.